Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you love making videos and want to get a different perspective,
then this TEEROK GPS drone is really going to be the perfect step in learning how to do that. Once the remote is on and you connect it with an app on your phone, the drone just needs to be calibrated. The features that are included are the follow me mode, surround mode, and tap and fly options. The camera can be pointed down to get really amazing bird's eye view shots. There is also a smart home button that allows for effortless landing. Packing this up is so easy, and you can record with an SD card or directly onto your phone. There are 2 chargeable batteries with more than 50 minutes of life. The carry case comes with everything you need. It has 2 types of manuals, a screwdriver, and replacement blades if needed. The case is sturdy and offers really reliable protection for your drone. There's also a really cool gesture detection mode that makes photography and videography very easy. The world is such a beautiful place, and this has really helped me to capture that.
this is definitely a great choice to get that introduction to getting amazing, awesome shots in your videos. And that's my point of view.